Hello, I'm Eliza and join me on my channel to learn everything about journaling, drawing and coloring. So today, let's paint. Let's paint, and today I'm just going to fill my 2 pages with blue flowers and some brown leaves, and I'm just going to have fun with it. I've followed a few tutorials of Shader Campbell, and you've seen my video where I learned to draw simple flowers, learn to paint simple flowers with watercolor. Today I'm going to use watercolor as well, but I'm going to paint blue flowers. Not realistic, just having fun on my paper, trying to be loose, using watercolor, hoping to be able to incorporate everything I've learned so far, like letting the stuff dry before I use something else over it, using the white on the paper. Not everything has to connect, be loose. It doesn't have to be perfect, just have fun. So I'm going to try that. And I don't have paint, I'm using water brushes. And I just have a simple sheet of plastic and it works perfect for this. And you see me mixing 2 or sometimes 3 colors at the same time. That's because I want to make different colors. I want to make 4 or 5 shades of blue and 2 shades of brown, maybe 3. Unfortunately, you can see that there aren't 8 shades. There should be 5 shades of blue here by now, and I only see 2. So because I use those markers, it isn't as precise as using watercolor and mixing it up front. I don't mix up front because it dries out again and I need to use more water, which changes the color again. But it's also kind of fun because you never know what you're gonna get, and it gives some nice tones in this case, but not the 5 I wanted. They're a bit closer together, but it's fun. You see me adding some blue leaves randomly just to fill up the pages. I try to spread the colors evenly over the page, and after that I am starting to add some leaves, long leaves, short leaves, mainly the same sizes over and over because they work, they are easy, and it's not about precision, it's not about realism, it's about having fun. And so far I am having a lot of fun, and I hope when you do this same sort of thing that it'll give you a lot of enjoyment as well. Okay, so I took about 10 minutes to let everything dry, because if you go in too soon with your markers, it'll smudge. So I gave it 10 to 15 minutes to dry, and now I go in with my water markers to add some details, and it will make it pop. I really like this part because the page changes so much. Like I said, it's not about realism, it's about enjoyment and maybe adding some shapes that look like flowers, but you can do it any way you want to. And I just like this simplicity of this exercise. Doing this exercise gave me so much enjoyment, and seeing a finished page like this, it makes me happy, and I love the color combination on this page. Because I love it that much, I decided to do several of these pages all in different color settings. I started with the first one while doing the exercise with the video of Shada Campbell. Then I did this blue one for this video, and afterwards I did a green page with leaves, yellow, reds and purples, and I love it. So if you want to fill your sketchbook, if you want to practice, just doodle away with these beautiful, simple, non-realistic flowers.